All right, boys and girls, this is Thursday, May 28th, and this is lesson lesson 4, part 2. And it is learn about the strategy, what to know, what happens and why is it called cause and effect? Why something happens is called cause. What happens because of the cause is the effect. A cause is the reason that something happens. That's the why. An effect is what happens because of the cause. Clue words such as so, since, because, and if often tell about cause and effect. Read the story about Amy. As you read, think about one thing that happened in the story and why. Okay? Amy was in a hurry. She wanted to get outside to meet her friends. She tied her sneakers as fast as she could. She tried to run, but she fell down. Amy had tied the laces on each sneaker together. So she's all tangled up. Okay? Let's read it one more time and think of what happened and why. Amy was in a hurry. She wanted to get outside to meet her friends. She tied her sneakers as fast as she could. She tried to run, but she fell down. Amy had tied the laces on each sneaker together. Okay, so let's go down. One thing that happened to Amy and why is what happened. Amy fell down. We know she fell down. Why did she fall down? This is the cause. Why it happened. Amy tied the laces on each sneaker together. Anything that happens has two parts. These two parts are called cause and effect. Okay. Read the story about Jin. As you read, look for the clue words to help you understand what happens and why it happens. Then answer the questions. Okay. Jin put his clothes into the washing machine. He added lots of soap because his clothes were dirty. Jin turned on the machine. He felt happy. He did something all by himself. Soon, soap suds came out of the washing machine. They spilled out onto the floor. Jin ran to get his sister. She shut the machine off. That's what happens when you add too much soap, she said. Jin did not feel so happy anymore. Okay? So tell us what happened and why it happened. Okay? Think about it for a second before we go to the multiple choice. Jin added lots of soap because, why did he do that? His sister told him to. His clothes were dirty. He wanted to see what would happen. I don't think he wanted to see what would happen. He just didn't know that it was going to happen. His clothes were dirty. Which clue word tells why Jin added lots of soap? Let's see. He added lots of soap because his clothes were dirty. Okay? Cause. Effect. He put his clothes were so dirty. Why was his clothes so dirty? Well, not why. He added lots of soap. Why did he add lots of soap? His clothes were dirty. Okay, sorry, I confused you on that one. Work with a partner. Talk about your answers to the questions. Tell why you chose your answer. Then talk about what you have learned so far about recognizing cause and effect. Okay, don't forget that the cause is the reason that something happens. The effect is what happened. Effect is what? What happened? Okay, let's see what happened on this story here. What happened? Soap suds came out of the washing machine. Why did it happen? You added too much soap. Look how easy that is. We found the cause and effect. Okay. There you have it. That is it. The last one, which will be Friday, is part 3. And guess what, guys? There's 4 days left after that. Technically, there are minimum days. So I'm not sure what your teachers want to do for those 4 days, but we are technically done with the packet. You can always keep the rest of the packet, finish that, show your parents that you're doing it. And that is it. So let's go to the Friday one, and then we will be done. Have a good one.